STEP Project is specialized in high-precision sheet metal processing, steel, stainless steel, and aluminum using the latest technology. We have invested 4 million euros in new technology and equipment in order to deliver to our customers the highest quality and the optimum price in the shortest time. Our laser cutting, bending and punching equipment, all Armada 2020 edition, are comfortably installed in a facility comprising 5,000 square meters of working space, engineering and planning office, a 100% automatic production line with an internal communication network between machines that ensures an efficient and easy remote management of the files created by our specialists. Our team-fast interaction and adaptability, combined with engineering expertise and high-quality technology, allows us to find the most efficient and optimal solutions for the most complex projects. STEP Project One-Stop Engineering Solutions.